This week, a sinkhole destroyed 2 homes in Pinellas County and raised questions for us here. Sinkholes happen fairly often in the counties north of us, but something on the Suncoast seems to keep us safe. What is it? A boat listing astern on land usually means bad news. The ground beneath it in Dunedin gave way. Taking parts of 2 houses with it. Sinkholes happen in Florida, most of which sits on a bed of limestone with a layer of soil, clay, or sand on top of it. When it rains,
it percolates down through the soil column.
David Brown is a geologist, and he shows us how water gets into the limestone and over hundreds or thousands of years slowly dissolves it away, creating cavities underground.
A house is placed at land surface, unsuspecting of some of the cavities that may lie underneath it at depth.
Water pressure helps prop up the land above it when things dry out.
Water levels to drop within this cavity and cause a collapse to occur.
In February, a sinkhole swallowed a man in Seffner. In August, a resort in Central Florida partially sank into the ground. But we rarely see things like that here. A Florida Geological Survey map shows the number of reported sinkholes between 1954 and 2004. Dots cover Pinellas, Hillsborough, and Polk counties to our north, but only a few appear in Manatee, Sarasota, and Charlotte counties.
Sarasota County, our limestone is much deeper.
That's because, Brown says, the layer of clay covering it is hundreds of feet thick in some places, too thick for the rain to reach the limestone.
So we're protected in this area by those confining units and the depth of our limestone.
You definitely want to have the coverage for it.
Florence Conlon sells insurance and says that rates for sinkhole coverage here do factor how few sinkholes we get.
So they'll look within 1.5 miles, they'll look within 3 miles, and they'll see how many occurrences within that geographical area.
And they'll see what geologists see, little chance that the earth will open and swallow your home. David Brown says that most of the sinkholes we have here come from man, water pipes bursting and leaking, or something we buried, rotting and settling, and causing the land above it to sink down.